It's a nice Saturday evening at 7 p.m. I think everybody had a good week. I hope everybody had a good week. And yeah, I've been doing some work on a tomato story. Okay, looks like I am dropping some frames. I have no idea why I'm starting to drop frames though. That's kind of new. Anyways, okay, and now I'm dropping 100 frames. Damn. Okay, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to my settings and I can't change anything during stream though. That's the problem. Well, actually I can. Okay, hopefully I shouldn't be dropping more frames, and I think it's because of looks like we're back online. Yeah, there's definitely a problem with the Wi-Fi going on, and I should address it what that is. And hopefully my voice should be much clearer too, because I got this this new mic kind of thing in the Prime Day sales. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's start. So I finished making one of the second enemy type. So if I go to lookup, when's that? No, I need the other lookup. That's this one. So yeah, we have a bunch of course we have a bunch of bugs and stuff here. We'll get to that later. So I've been working on the pineapple. So pineapple is a variant of pineapple, right? And it has a seed count of around 50 to 20, and it has 50 health, as the other light weight enemy classes. So what this does is it preps up. Oh, this mic wire. So what it does is it kind of like preps up, and then once it does, it kind of like explodes upwards. And then those bullets, when it hits the ground, they kind of explode out into even little bullets, even more little bullets. So it's like boom. So it's kind of like that. And if it is, it's a huge asset. So if you like before it deseeds, because again this has no thing of deseeds. If it's deseeds, it like emits all of the seeds at the same time. So okay, it looks like my chats are not on. How do I switch on my chat, my friend? I don't know how to switch on my chats. Anyways, I guess it's fine. So yeah, what happens is, so it does that, right? And I kind of coded it. I'll go through its choosing its attack point strategy. It's kind of a little bit different. So there you go. That's what it does right now. These guys preps up an attack, and when it's patrolling, it's not going to alert though for some reason. Like it has a separate alert feature. We'll get into that too. And why is it in search? These guys are acting like really weird. And see, it's like having so much problem. Okay, you know what? There we go. See, it attacks and it kind of explodes into. And when it hits the ground, they kind of explode. But yeah, I haven't. These guys are just attacking and prep, and it's still an attack. It doesn't get out of attack too. Yeah, there's like huge number of bugs here that we'll go through one by one. It's kind of cool on how it decides its attack position though. So what it does, it kind of gets all of the enemies and the player into account. Actually, not just the player. It takes all the enemies into account. That's weird. Sphere overlap factors, and then there we go. Actually, it should need player 2. So it takes everybody into account and it finds a center point in those area. So I think I have a debug here. Oh, I deleted the debug. So what it does is if the let me go up, right? So if there are 4 points, this is going to be their center point. So like it's like an average center point. And then what it does is it kind of neglects the height. So if one of the enemies was up here or something, right, the average point would be somewhere around there. So it kind of projects the point onto the ground, and then it gets that point to move to. Again, if it was in the second floor, it can of course go to the second floor and then explode there. Then I added these Navlink mesh proxies. So what this does is, if imagine this orange had to go over here, it wouldn't go all the way there and climb. It would just jump from here. So that's kind of like the jump points So I've added like multiple jump points over here, and maybe I'd add more even there too, but I guess I'm just testing it out here. So yeah, we'll get one by one. So first of all let's finish up yellow's functionalities, right? So that would be finishing up the projectiles smaller, like them exploding into even smaller stuff. So that would be this. Actually, there we go, that's it. It should like, I can either do it one of two ways, right? I could you know what, let's do it the second way. I think it's much easier. Yeah, let's do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add B is smaller projectile. So this would check. So it's gonna loop this, right? And then we're gonna paste it, and then that would be exposed on spawn, and then instance edited, obviously. Then this boy is gonna branch out, and then yeah, actually I don't know why I'm doing all of this. We don't need any of these. So basically what I'm trying to do is this particular thing, right? So imagine so it spawns it into even smaller stuff, but it's again spawning itself. So those smaller stuffs would have even smaller stuff, and those smaller stuff, and I'm trying to prevent that. That's it. So to prevent, so I'm trying to prevent that, right? So when it explodes, and maybe instead of pineapple explode, this smaller projectile is not, then it calls pineapple explode before it destroys itself. Oh wait, am I in? Oh crap, I'm in enemy. Oh shit. Should be in the ammo. I don't know why I'm doing all of this here. There we go. I'm gonna cut this. We're gonna take that with us, and then take it out to the ammo. Right there. Then where's pineapple seed? There we go. Okay, so maybe I should go back to pineapple and delete that, and then put that variable in here is projectile. Compile, save. So yeah, so what's going to happen is I'm going to paste that here, and I'm going to call a custom event explode into smaller projectiles. So do once, of course, and this is, it's not a max seed count, it's just it needs to have a fixed seed count. And you know what, let's have an arrow on these guys, right? Let's have an arrow component pointing upwards. And you know what, actually we can just get the actor up vector instead of the arrow. Yeah, let's do that. Just go get actor up vector, and that goes in that. Still need a maximum seed count, right? Let's promote that to a variable, and then call that smaller seeds to spawn. I'm gonna compile and save that. Oh, okay, there we go. Hey, it spawns like 5 seeds. And what's gonna happen is this is going to be exposed on sound and instance editable. And okay, there we go. It's gonna branch itself. True and false both go in there, and then what it does is it's going to check if it's a smaller projectile. If it is not a smaller projectile, it's going to what do you call it? What was that? Explode into smaller projectiles. Explode into smaller projectiles. So if it is a small projectile, it's just going to destroy itself. It doesn't do any of these. And then smaller seeds to spawn 5, and I think we are pretty good. Let's test that out. I'm gonna delete pineapple here, and let's actually we're going to reduce their size to 0.2 0.2. And remember, these guys don't have any damage yet, so we're just gonna go. Here we go, add radial damage. And I think, if I'm not wrong, the main character, the Tomato, has the Unreal Engine's inbuilt. Let's harvest. I don't know why I didn't comment that. There we go. Oh yeah, of course, these guys don't have any health yet. Let's go into the enemy base. And is it on hit? And I think it's on damage. Let's see. Search for damage. Yeah. These guys use Unreal Engine's default damage system. And what happens is, okay, let's go to. Yeah, we're just gonna test it out, right? We're gonna increase that cone angle. So that's how thin the cone is. So the larger the number is, the wider the base of the cone is. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing that. There we go. That's how the cone would be. And yeah, so we're trying to get a random vector in that little angle. So if you see here, I'm basically getting the vector, and I'm trying to make a rotation from the a y vector. We go into ammo, and then let's test it out, right? Let's simulate this and simulate. Boom. I broke Unreal Engine. Oh no. Shouldn't have done that. Okay. Did it stop? No, it's still not responding, right? Wait, is it responding? Yeah, it's not responding. Yeah, I gotta restart Unreal Engine. So yeah, this was one of the things I was expecting to happen. What is that? Oh damn! System Redux is released already? Amnesia is out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab that after the stream is done. And yes, I actually have no idea if something's happening, because so I don't know if, I can't see any of the chats too. So I'm sorry if I can't see the chats. God damn. Anyways, coming back to let's go into ammo, and I'm gonna double check if our ammo. There we go. Let's open that up. Okay, this is still intact. It is still intact. So it does it once, right? Okay, I think I'm doing something wrong. Oh, of course. That little tick mark, of course. Now it shouldn't lag, it should just explode it into. There we go. So when it spawns, if it is not, yeah, should be pretty good. Explode, and you know what? You don't destroy. Only after this is done, it should destroy itself. Boom. Okay. You know what? Let's drop that like that. Ooh. See those little explosions? That is the sweet. But again, I can't see them, right? So let's go back to the Unreal Engine. Put up pineapple seed. I think they're too tiny. Well, let's just make them humongous. Just for checking it out. Ooh. And I think they're hitting itself when spawning. You know, let's see. So when it hits, other equals self is not, then go ahead and do all of this stuff. Ooh. I don't know where is this thing is coming from though. And you know what, let's do something. Oh, okay, this, okay, that is so, okay. Oh my god, I now realize what that arrow's point was. It was just a location above on the head. So, okay, there we go. That's why. So they were spawning all the way back in 0, 0, 0, 1. Now these guys should be here. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. That's kind of cool. That's kind of neat, right? Yeah, these guys are going over that way. And I think, you know what? Let's not hide that arrow in game. Well, let's check out how that goes. See, that arrow is pointing that way. So if you want, we can kind of actually, you know what? Let's do even something more awesome. Get actor location. Let's just freaking spawn them there. Who's asking? Who's looking? Oh, well, there we go. Boom. I don't know why these guys are like pointing that way though. Because I'm making the rotation from Y, right? So I guess when it goes like this, makes a rotator. It should. Why is that? So basically, I'm like extending it. You know what? We should do? Let's draw a debug line, right? Just to see how it's being spawned, and let's have a duration of 10 seconds just for the heck of it. No one's gonna complain, and let's go have it like 5 seconds. Line start would be this. Line end would be that, and then let's. Right now let's check that out. Oh, okay. Did I delete that? Yeah, I think I deleted that. Boom. Okay, so there's something wrong with the line itself, because I think there's something wrong with the cone being made. Because what is the actor operator? You know what? Let's draw debug cone. And oh my god. Where are you? There we go. We draw a debug cone, right? Then maybe we can test out. Oh, what's happening? Oh. So, and then origin would be, of course, the actor location. Direction would be the up vector. Then we can see where the up vector is. So when it spawns, oh, okay, I didn't give it a thickness and duration. Let's have it at 5 seconds too, and then have it at, a blue color, something that stands out. And then let's use the thickness of 2. Okay, see, there's something really wrong with how it's calculating. So it is spawning upwards though, but I guess the way it calculates the line, it's doing something wrong. I mean, we are doing something wrong. I mean, I am doing something wrong. So let's figure out what that is, right? So it gets the actor location, and then it adds itself. Let's think about this for a second. It gives us a vector, right? And we're multiplying that vector by whatever amount, and then we're gonna add that back. But yeah, I'm not getting the point, like why it's not happening though. Let's increase the let's increase that, and then let's increase. Do I really need? Yeah, I don't think I need this though, because all it does is just it makes a long line. That's it. It has no actual purpose other than creating a long line. So, I'm kind of confused. You know what? Okay, see, so the moment, so they're spawning from here, right? And then they're kind of like going forward for some reason. We need an upwards kind of like a spawn, so it goes up like, again, this is real development, right? Raw, unedited game dev. So we're just gonna stare at this code for a little while. We're gonna try. So you know what? To heck with it. I'm not gonna make a rotator from Y. So I think that's what's causing it. Is it? Yeah, it's the up vector. And Can I normalize it? I think this is a normalized up vector. Yeah, it is a normalized vector. Double checking. Okay, looks like one went over there though. That's kind of weird. Why are you doing this? Okay, line end. What if I do something like starts from there, right? Yeah, it does start from there and then it ends. Am I connecting the correct node? Yeah, I'm connecting. Oh, god damn, I should be connecting this node. Because that's the... Oh my god. Look at that. Okay. We're just connecting the wrong node. Okay. So it is working. Okay, I almost got mad. Okay, so there we go. We do have an up. So that means this is our what do you call it? This is our culprit. That's the word. I almost forgot English. So let's make a rotator taking into account. How can we make a rotation? You know what happens? I just want to check out what happens if we don't have a rotator. So just explode, right? And the physics takes over it. So like when they spawn, if they spawn this when their forward vector was like this, they just go like. So what we want is we want to turn that little actor so it looks in the direction of whatever this is, right? Can I make rotator from, because that's the thing, right? On which direction do I want this to be? And it should be y-axis. The problem is, I guess it's too tilted at y-axis that it just... Can I make rot from axis and angle? Can I do that? And a supplied angle. Oh, creates a rotation. Nope. Because I get what's happening. So what's happening is, so when this thing kind of like falls down, right? Imagine if this was the y-axis. So it's something like this, right? If this was the y-axis, and that's what happens. So that's why they kind of go there. They explode their rotation. What we want is we want the world's up axis. What if I make rotator from y, then I do get actor up vector, something like that. No, actually, can I? No, because that would be kind of confused now. You know what, to heck with, let's test it out, right? Might as well test it out. Oh. No, you go all the way there. Right there. Simulate. Nope. We need to get these rotators. How can I make rot from x and y? Can I do that? No, actually not x and y. Do I need x and y, or do I need... So if something like this happens, go to object, we need actually these two, right? Good lord, I am confused now. Let's check it out. Make rot from x, y. So we need two values. Inputs need not be normalized. And again, do I need this 500? I can just do this, right? It should be the same thing. Nope, I'm gonna delete you for a second. So they go forward, of course, and then... Oh yeah, but the lines, right? That's it. Those lines would be tiny now. Oh, they're not even visible. They're that tiny. Oh, there we go. So I guess it doesn't matter, right? All we need is their get rotation from a vector. Let's go to Google, right? Get rotation from a vector, from a direction vector. Unreal Engine. Make rod from X. You can find it by separating target and this function. Calculate a directional vector. No, we do have a direction, right? Calculate direction. Get desired rotation direction from two vectors. Try to rotate accurate with an. They're all trying to get two vectors. We already have the direction. We need to create something. So basically that's it, right? We want that point. What if I can get... Nope, my mind's actually... It's you know what, let's make a rod from X. Because it's again, it's from the top angle. So I don't know if we even need this. So it goes like that. And it goes straight up. Well, we don't want that. I'm gonna close this up. Let's check it out. Boom. Nope, and it's only doing like 5. You know what, let's make it 0.5 again. 3.3. And then small seeds to spawn would be, let's create 8 of them, just for testing purposes. Boof. So all of the 8, they don't even respect this rotator, right? They don't even respect these. They are like, we're just gonna do our own thing. How else can I make a rotator? Make from, yup, we don't need, we're gonna make rod from Y. Oh, I really need Y though. That's what I'm like. So, or do I need, can I make a rotator from its Z axis, Z axis, if you may? What happens then? Oh, what the hell? I was like, what the heck is going on here? Let's do that, right? Let's move a little bit backwards. And let's see what happens. Something is happening, but what is happening, I have no idea. Let's make that big, right? It's just like done. I think it's because of this. What happens if I make it really huge? Can I at least see them then? I mean, it is kind of giving the thing that we want, exploding in the nearby radius. What if I draw in the event hit, right? And if it's not itself, okay, I'll just draw a small debug sphere just to check out where they're hitting. Draw debug sphere. And its center would be hit location, and its duration would be for 5 seconds, and with a thickness of 1. What happens then? Okay, so this is where they hit, and this is 4 again. I was so high pitched. Let's make it blue, and its radius, right? Let's make it 10, so there's not many overlaps. So what? Oh, okay, there we go. So they are there. And I think it's because of this road from Z, it's doing all these weird values. Because that vector Z would be that, and it's making a rotator, so it has no zeros. It's just making that little angle. I'm gonna go back to Y and see if we get any other desirable results. When I spawn them, I don't think I can set their velocity. Can I set their velocity? I mean, one thing I can do is reduce their um, set mass override in kg for sphere, of course. We kind of fly. Oh, just explode. What if I remove that exploding thing? Like, don't destroy yourselves. What happens then? Holy heck. There's just one. Why is there only one? Always spawn ignore collisions. There we go. Okay, that's much better. I'm not gonna lie, that is much better. 5. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to not destroy them. So that's good, that's good. Okay, there we go. At least we have something that we want. And I guess this is like 1 kg already. Like these guys are already 1 kg. Oh, these are already 0.5 kg. Let's reduce their angular damping, right? Set angular damping. What happens then? That's what I want to know. It's okay. So no more mass. We're just gonna damp the angle, so it should be much more rough. Oh boy. Destroy. Okay. So now what do I have to reduce this cone angle because it's too wide, so it's creating a lot of other white stuff. Boop. Oh no, it's actually still doing. Is there any way I can debug the rotator? What was that? Random unit vector cone in degrees. In a random direction within a cone. Oh, this is like straightforward math. No, thank you. Random vector within a cone. Unreal Engine. Maybe I should. Maybe I should specify that. Random vector within a cone. You're looking for a unit vector? Direction lies somewhere in the cone of directions. Yes. I think I would have put a question up in Reddit. This is kind of weird. I'm not okay. You know what? Let's do that. Let's just yep. And I'm gonna do I need that multiply? You know what? Let's forget the multiply for a second and let's. What happens now if I remove the rotator? So I'm just curious. Nothing happens, just explode. So I have tried X, I have tried Y. I wanna do something really stupid and see if that works. I wanna break this vector, right? And then make rot from axes. And then how can I do this? I don't know why I'm doing this. And then forward vector would be Z, right? Make vector boom. So basically I'm normalizing it. Oh, it goes into the tolerance. I don't know, this may be stupid. But let's try it, right? Why not? That goes into the Y, this goes into the X. Alright. Then That would be a rotator. Did that actually work? Bro. I'm kind of confused. Like, did this actually work? Okay, you know what? Let's see. I think this actually worked. Well, as long as it works. You know what? I'm gonna multiply. I'm gonna bring back the multiplier. Multiply by a float. 500. There we go. Just for drawing the lines, right? And again, these guys are not going up though. So I think it's still, we are not still getting what we need. Maybe I should increase the cone vector because I thought that was kind of affecting it. Looks like it was not affecting it. Okay. So when it spawns, does it have a vector? What if, you know what, I want to try, what if DI, okay, you know what, maybe I can do that. Let's move all of this. And then get projectile movement. Only I could spell. And then, see, these guys have a velocity here. Right, velocity. In local space. And then what happens if I do that? I'm just curious now. Hey, that did not work. Because I want them to go up, they're not going up. That's what I'm like furious about. Not furious, but then kind of like, because these guys should go up, like, and then come down. Can I set show speed 500? Nope, it's doing the same thing over and over again. They all just exploded right there. Maybe I should move the arrow even higher. And the spawn location would be get actor location, and then get a vector, get actor up a vector, multiply that by a spawn offset, which is like what, 20, just for the heck of it. Add that back to the actor's location. Boom. How's the spawn now? It's going high, right? Yep. Okay, so that is working. So I'm going to increase the spawn offset 100 and then make what from Y like that, and then yeah, let's try that now. I'll go up, come down. Nope, no. I think that was because of this. Okay, there we go. I think we have something we want. Then again, these guys are not going up. Go up. You know what I can do? That's the direction, right? Of course. And then the position. What if I use this position? Let's move that, right? That there. And then their spawn also goes there. So they all happen in the same. I can delete this and I can put that there. Okay. And then what I want to know is, can I debug make root? But make root 4. No replies. Rotation from one axis can determine two rotation. Nope. It's alright, because we can still figure this out. I think today's entire live dev session would just go and try to figure out how to make them spawn like up above. So now they are spawning a bit above, and then initial speed 10. And let's not do that. Let's see what happens now. Maybe I can reduce the speed even more. And then move that there. Maybe I can move that. Yeah, there we go. I think that should be. Oh, I don't know. I still don't understand how these guys are going there though. Make. Oh, that's why. Ah. Oh, why? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Make what from X. Let's just test everything out, whichever brings us the closest to our desired result. Oh, yes, my friend, yes, exactly. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. That's exactly what we want. Holy crap, that is so good. Yes. Go there. Oh no. Hit that, delete that. There we go. That's exactly what we want. Okay, what if I increase set mass? Did I actually make them heavier? We need sphere, yeah. Make them heavier. Beautiful. It's exactly what we want. Nice. Okay. So we need to add radial damage. We'll do that soon enough. And okay, you know what? Let's bring in a pineapple into the equation. Ah! No. Lord. Delete that. F11. We're gonna select the viewport. Yeah. Oh, 360. So it's on alert now. It's prepping up. Oh boy. Boom, 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 boom. It is an absolute menace, and that's exactly what we need. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. And I think it hit the self or this or equals Pineapple. Hey. How do? Oh, there we go. That's what I do. Pine. Can I? Oh, there we go. Actually, can I get the instigator? Yeah, I think that's simple. So what I have to do is I have to equals get instigator. So that goes there. If neither of those is not, then you can go ahead and do whatever you want to. So yep. Okay, let's see. I have to go back to Pineapple, and then what I have to do is when they spawn, I gotta keep that to self. Done. And then boom. So just test that out, right? So that was the players. Oh, it's dazed. No, get out of daze. Come on. You got this. Come on, get out of daze. Oh, okay. I think that was actually one of the bugs. Pineapple stuck on daze state. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, we'll get to that later. Right now we need. Yes, so it comes to the player. When it reaches the place position. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we really have to bring down how many seeds it spawns. That is as simple as bringing down the max seed count, which is right over here, which is 0. Oh, what the hell? Has it been 0 all this time? How are you spawning if you're 0? So many questions, so little answer. I am seriously so confused now. Okay, you know what? Okay. So it would come near the player where the player was. Preps up. Boom, 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 boom. That is beautiful. I love it. Explosions. So that's its center point, right? And that. So let's do that. Find suitable attack point. And that is explode seed. It's not seeds per se, it's the little thorny things. Yes, it's fine. Pineapple explode. Okay, well, how is it? I think I'm doing something wrong now. Let's go to Pineapple attack. And it's literally called Pineapple explode. Okay, what if I delete that and I do just 5, right? Who cares? Let's do it directly. I mean, I care, but of course. So it would come to where I was. Wraps up. Okay, there we go. It did 5. Boom, 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 boom. That's beautiful. So much explosions. Do I have to promote it to a bit? Oh, okay. You know what? I understood why that's happening. We max seed count. Yeah, I know what's happening. This is not going to control it. We need these guys. So that would be 5 to 8. That's why. Look at that. Boom, 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 bam, boom. Poof. That's cool. So I'm gonna remove the debug lines from here. Yeah, remove the debug line. We don't need that anymore. And I'm gonna remove the debug sphere too. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. That's cool. Okay, so let's go back to AI now. We got that locked down. What we have to do, it's still recording the player's position. Let's just fix that, right? When it attacks, just stop recording. We don't have to memorize the player's position anymore. Stop recording and search. Oh, actually, no. Just stop recording. Stop repping, stop record. Why? Stop record and search. Does it? Okay, I just need to stop recording. Do I need to? You know what? I'll just do a stop recording to heck with it. So that means we need a new task, and then that would be received. Let's just copy all of this. It's literally the same thing. The only thing is I'm gonna remove that. That's it. It's just going to stop recording the place position. And if I go back here, I can just do stop record, and I haven't changed the name yet, of course. So if I go into Pineapple, there should be, there we go, btt underscore enemy underscore base underscore stop record, and move here. So now I can just, before it attacks, right, I can just stop record. So the thing is, this thing doesn't have any, hopefully I don't need any search per se. I need to find like a better, like a beautiful comment plugin or something. I know auto comments exist, but I just want to see if there's something better out there. So days, it never gets out of day state. It just waits. You go back when it's dazed, it goes back to alert. Oh, actually, set action. It should be as easy as setting it to alert. Done. And hopefully when I daze it, boop, it's gonna daze itself. And then it never comes out of daze. Why though? Sets it to alert. It just gets stuck on days for some reason. Random deviation is -5. Yeah. I almost just turned that green. Okay, let's fix one more thing. It doesn't become husk also. Is equal to husk. Find random location. Yeah, wait there. And yeah, I think I'm missing out something over here. It's not equal to husk to all of this, but then now it is equal to husk though. Let's go to the tree. It's doing wait, right? And then it just goes back to wait. It never. Oh yeah, it's the stupid mistake, noob mistake. We need a sequence. We don't need a select, we need a sequence. There we go. That's what we need. Boom, days. Then it goes back to alert. What happened? Why did it get stuck on attack? Is it? Yes, it's a sequence, right? Stop record, Pineapple let out. It's a selector. It's all of this. Keep on doing this. There we go. That should be a sequence now. Rep, days. Oh, tagged. But it destroyed itself too. Oh, it's because I hit it when it turned into a husk. Holy crap, it's like, you know what? Actually, I wanna change this. I want defaults instead of searching it every single time. So let's just go into weapons, because some of them are going to be defaults, right? Stagger at the silk, husk health. Let's just call this category defaults, because then I could just go in and then be like, whatever, just type it out. Call this out defaults. Max health default. Stagger at this health. No, we just need percentage. It's 30% of course. And I think I calculate that. I calculate that. Set the category to defaults. Oh, there's defaults and then there's default. We just need defaults. Okay. Stagger at this health. Stagger health. Yeah, there's two different things. Yep, of course. And stagger health is how much health it has before turning into a husk when it staggers. I think we don't have to mess with that now. This is part of default. Defaults. Max seed count. Defaults. Made into weapon class. Defaults. Do I need weapon name? Am I using this somewhere? I don't think I'm using this anywhere. Yeah, I'm not using this anywhere. Let's just delete that. Boop. Done. Compile. Save. I don't think I'm using this anywhere. Yep, not using this anywhere. Compile. Let's just double check. Yeah, but then this does absolutely nothing, if I remember correctly. Actually, I take that back. It does something. Okay. Okay, it's actually, yeah, it takes both the name. Yeah, it actually, yep, it searches the table and stuff. I totally forgot about it. So made into weapon name, we need that too. It's also part of defaults. I wish we had two subcategories instead of just one. And I think that should be it. Yeah, it should be good for defaults. If I go back to Pineapple, defaults should be a good centroid attack point, moving to center. These are all AI, right? So let's just tag it as AI. DP enemy base is a category. Oh, okay, that's, yeah, never mind. Max health. Why did max health is defaults? Oh, I put it into default. That's my fault. And then we'll put that into defaults with an S. Look around radius. What is look around radius? Oh, okay. It's when they search. I think when they're searching for the player. Yeah. It's when they're searching for the player. We can have that there, just upside in the open, and then we can put that into AI. AI. Yeah. I'm gonna drink some water. All right. Looks like my stream is going crazy. Good. Oh yeah, my stream is just going crazy now, isn't it? There we go. And we're back. Something definitely going on with this Wi-Fi. It just kind of like kills all the buzz. It's a buzz kill. Anyway, so now hopefully, alert. It goes to where I was. Boom, ba boom, boom, ba boom, boom. It becomes husk. Oh, did I put another selector again? Didn't I just fix that? Oh, okay, and it moves to target location. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, is it like immortal or something? Max health 50, of course. Stagger at this health 30%. It should stagger. Let's see, let's stagger it now. It's dazed, right? It's dazed, stagger. Couldn't find game, of course, because we haven't made what do you call grenade throwing arcade. That's the next thing we have to make. Actually, let me write that in random bit. What is that? Pain. I don't know what pain is. Oh, it is pineapple something. Okay. Yeah, these are some of the ideas I had for it doesn't matter. So what I was doing was I was doing actually not pineapple, tomato, pineapple, row. So throwing copper, it's kind of like a grenade. It's gonna act like a grenade. It's gonna be really cool making that. So the next bug, so Day's bug is fixed, right? So we just make that green. The next is the most, I don't have words for it. The AI movement, it's just so weird, my god. They just act so dumb when it comes into moving. They are so dumb. They're just like, I have no idea where to go. I'm just gonna crash into each other. Oh, they are so dumb. But let's fix that, right? Let's fix that. There must be, oh, just open Twitch by mistake. Sorry guys. Anyways, let me bring that back. Okay, you know what? Let me show you how dumb they are. Okay, and there's one more thing I actually alert nearby enemies, right? Let's see. PDT base cancel. Alert nearby enemies. I think it's doing something wrong. Alert nearby enemies. Yes, sir. Tag and it gets if it's an enemy. Why can't I just do if it's an enemy? Oh, I think this was way before the time I gave it a tag of an enemy. Maybe that's why. And then that should be good, right? So instead of just, I can just directly connect that there and remove the need for the branches itself. Then get blackboard key. Yeah, and then make it alert. Sounds pretty much right. So see, now they're all out. See, there we go. That the blue point, it's where it goes to. But it's not going. There's something wrong with the AI. Oh, there we go. Now it's prepping and it's stacking and stuff. Total mayhem. Is it a husk? Nope, it's still on alert. Why are you on alert? Don't be on alert. You don't need to be on alert, my guy. You don't need to be on alert. Let's do this, right? Pineapple, and then we need the behavior tree of pineapple. Set action, change it to husk. That's it. Actually, I think there is some missing one more thing. So it changes itself to husk. Oh yeah, that's it. Actually, you know what? Should be good. Again, it's because of this movement. What happens if I make this big? Is it helpful for them if I make this big? That's one way to check that out. Let's make that big like that. I'm gonna move that to that edge. Boom. And then move that there. Eat that. Come on. There we go. Duplicate. Oh, I don't have to duplicate that. I don't know why I was like, I have to duplicate that. Is that there? I'm just like kind of curious. Like, is it helpful if they have like even much a larger space to move? So nav mesh, make that big, right? Big ass nav mesh. What is that? That's light mesh importance volume. We don't need that right now. You know what? Let's maybe keep the post process volume. So Control Z. Good lord. Post process volume. Then bring that. I think all they did was just keep the exposure. Yeah. I think all it does is like keep the exposure. Let's go to exposure. Min brightness, max brightness, 1, 1. Oh, okay. Hurts my eyes. Let's bring that down a little bit. That's better. That's better. I'm not gonna complain. And it's gonna be infinite extent, of course. All right. Now, tell me, are you guys? Why are you dazed? Oh, it's because. Okay, you know what? Actually, I think it helps when there's a large space. Oh, and there's this bug. The gun doesn't change. And search, there's something wrong when it goes into the search state. And I think that has to do with the enemy not in the vision radius. Let's do something about that, right? Oh yeah, actually I wanted to see how the yellow did. So they're doing bad. It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. I need, there we go, crowd control. And then that's gonna be the AI perception, right? So that's the can see player or not. And let's actually increase the radius of which they see. And you know what? Let's do like a line trace too. Line trace by channel. It's either or. I mean, if you see the player, you see the player, but that's kind of weird. Because if he's like miles away, you know what? Let's just do it, right? Line trace for objects. Yup. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to. Actually, I think it should be on a custom tick, right? Yeah, it's got to be on a custom event tick. That's the event check for player in sight. That's going to be a line trace for object. Let's get the tick in. Check for, actually not the tick, my bad. Just, and then we're going to call check for player in sight, and then once that's done, it's gonna set timer by event. And it's gonna look for the player every 1 second. It's like gracious, so we don't have too much overhead. CPU draw calls not draw calls, like calls basically, like so it doesn't keep on checking this function, because there would be so many more objects doing the same line trace. Start would be the actor location, and get owner location. Okay, how do I get owned? Nope. Get locate, get world origin location. Nope. Get local transform. How can I do that? Is there any way I can set? Yeah, I think I have to set owned object controlling. Oh, can I just do get controlling object? Oh no, that's if it is controlling an object. Get object. No, because if it's already built up, we don't have to. Can I get a controller? Get controller. Get controller. Get control. Nope, doesn't exist. So that's going to be a base enemy. Oh, enemy PP enemy base. That little thing right there. And yeah, that yeah. And then what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go to BP enemy base, and what I'm going to do now is in the event begin play there should be a setup enemy, right? I'm gonna move this guy there, and then move this here, reroute. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a what was I going to say? Oh no. I lost track of my thought. Oh god, it was going so much in a straight line. Oh yeah, I was get AI controller. Get controller. Oh, okay. Get. There we go. Controller to self. And that's AI controller, right? Cast to PP enemy base AI crowd controller. There we go, that's what we want. And then what it's going to do is it's going to set owned object. What was that called? Oh yeah, set controlling object. Set controlling object to self. Done. Why I did this was I need to get this thing's world location. I had to do all of that just to get the world location. Yeah, just get the actual location, because getting the actual location is getting the world location. And would we get player character, and it's gonna be that thing's actual location. Make player, and that value is going to be hitting or seeing player. And then what's going to happen is it's going to be that, or I hope it's not like to put that in, that in, that in. Done. On perception updated, seeing player. Okay. I'm gonna add a sensing player too, so it's like if it's either sensing player, attack, it's prepping. Okay, good. They are like getting aggressive now. Prepping. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Boom. Alert. Why are you stuck though? Oh, it's back on alert for some reason. Look at that movement. It's oh, they all DC'd so quickly. Ah, crap. There we go. That's assistant trying to read property controlling object. Why though? Because that's weird if you ask me. Because controlling object should be like set up before even the base runs, right? Need some more water. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna just fill up my water bottle real quick. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break, chill out, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna solve the line trace, the player perception. I'm gonna think of another way. Not another way. I'm gonna add like another component to make it double checking it, but we'll do that when we get back. I'm gonna put a notepad real quick. 5-minute break. There we go. Done. Boom. Okay, alright. That's alright. Done. Close that. We're gonna be back. Okay, and we are back, I mean. So here's what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna seeing player and check for player inside. That's one. And then actually I can do this the other way, right? I can remove that and do this the other way. I think that's much better. Boom. And then the OR goes there, that goes there. So instead of, yeah, that makes much more sense. Put that there, put that there. Boom, done. So we're setting it each second if it sees the player or not. So let's see, go. Holy crap, I think they're already on alert. That's my bad, shouldn't have done that. Okay, it's because of course I have like an open, what do you say, field, ground, what is that? Let's go, you know what, let's keep the old method just for now, just for 1 second. I try to clean my node right there, like that. Boom. So they're all in alert, they're all recording my position. Attack, ah. Boop, boop, boop. I might try to move the recording position into like this one global manager kind of a thing. And you should be in Husk. Why are you in search? Why are you in search? Oh my god, I think it's all because of this. Access constraint read property, controlling object in Blueprint AI card controller in line trace for objects. When does this happen? That's is not what's equals to object. So if it's not null, then go ahead and line trace. This dude finna be flying. So it's on alert. Just record your position. What are you doing? See, it's just stuck on the move to. It has a center point, but it can't reach the center point. It's just like, no. Yep, looks like we lost connection there for a while. Anyways, we're just gonna wrap this stream up really quick before my Wi-Fi starts dying again. So yeah, alright, so some things I have to keep in mind is, you know what, let's instead of bug, let's put it in random tidbits, right? We're gonna say make recording player position a manager role instead of every single enemy recording it. Perfect, right? Because that's much more cheaper than like one thing like recording, like just switching the vectors every single time. Alright, so I think that should be it for today, because we have this dude up and running. He's dying now, and I think so this is great. Let's have 2 of those. And I know things kind of get messed up when it's like that. What happens if I remove these, right? I just want to check out. I don't want to remove them. Let's move them somewhere, like just outside. So there you go, that's the blue. It literally has an open road. I don't know why they are still fighting. It literally has takes so many different paths. I think, you know what, let's see. AI path UE4 custom. So I've been tickering around, oh well, okay. So it looks like it's a C++ thing. Regardless of which style is modified. Yep. Yada. Yep, so again C++. I guess it's one of those things which we can do in blueprints. Just minding about it. And if you try to sneak up. Custom path following components. How do you have custom path following component? I guess it's again C++. Let me see here. If I just type in path following. Oh, what is this? Get path. Oh, that's. I think that's. Yeah, file name's path. Let's see. Path following component. Okay. What else what do I get from get path name? Is there a, what is this? What is the path following component? Let's see. Let's go to blueprints and let's create blueprints. Grid path AI controller. What is this? That's new. Will that help? Grid path AI controller. Not AO. AI. There we go. Move on grid. Oh, it's a grid based movement. Oh, that's cool. Huh, wish we had this during our survival times. I don't know if this existed. Anyways, let's see. What was I doing? I was trying to. Oh yeah, their movement, right? Yep. Let me jump back to enemy base. Close all of this. We don't need those right now. And let me open that AI crowd controller. So we have all of those now. Boom, boom, bam. Actions component. What is that? Perform action. Damn. Okay. Path following component. Primary component tick. Okay, this Wi-Fi is really getting on my nerves now. Yeah, okay, so the path following. Yeah, we need to create some kind of like a void. Something like a void, right? So like the voids are really cool. So something like that, something like to avoid. So just like don't just crash on each other, just like swerve around. And maybe we can even create our own custom move too, right? That would be our endpoint of then if something comes in the middle or something. So they're all on alert now. And that thing's also on alert, but it's not moving. Come on, move. We got this. Both of them are like just fighting. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. It's finally. You know what I can do? Maybe I can do like a simple jump. Okay. Alright, before this time, we're gonna wrap up really fast. We're gonna just do one thing, right? Add event, add odd component, begin overlap. And let me just check if the enemy base's collision is in an overlap. So if it's an enemy, overlap. Just overlap, right? If it's another enemy component, overlap with it. And do I need an overlap? Oh no, I don't need an overlap actually. No, just block. Block should be good. Block should be more than good. Yeah. And then this sphere is overlap all dynamic. It's custom. And you overlap with enemies. Ignore literally every single other thing. Overlap with just enemies. Other actor. Oh yeah, if it's jump. Oh, I want to see what happens. Jump. Both of them jump at the same time. Oh. Maybe they should agree on who jumps on top of who. Man. Yeah, the both of them jump at the same time. They're all husks now. Alert, alert, alert. I don't know why didn't I think of that, because both of them are now jumping at the same time. Good lord. Ah! And it's an alert now. And it's not moving though. Now I'm really curious. Look at those guys. Those two guys are just like hitting each other, jumping at the same time. They're like, no, good lord, no, I jump, no, I jump. What I can do is, let's make this even more stupider, right? Jump height. Randomize the jump height. So that would be jump z velocity. Set jump z velocity. Randomize float. No, not random float, bro. Random float in range. 420 to 500. 600. We'll go even more crazy. Alright, now let's see what happens. But they still are not going ahead though, because they should. Well, let's see. Add impulse. Can I add a velocity impulse? I just want to like boost forward, like velocity. These are all like set velocity. Nah, we gotta do something. What is it? Booster impulse. Because I remember it having like a booster kind of a thing that you can use. Speed, lights, magic leap. No, movement. Projectile movement. Be cool, like making this as a projectile movement. Oh, wait, let's just think about this real cool. There we go. You know what? Heck with it. Let's put a projectile movement, right? You only live once. So it doesn't activate on a wake. It needs to have like a burst. Oof, that's it. A burst. Auto activate, no. 50. Activate. Fire. How do I fire an impulse? Fire impulse. I think that's a totally different thing. You know what? Actually, the fire impulse would be impulse radial force. So there you go. I think I missed physics. A B C D H I J K P da da. Physics thruster. That's what I want. Thank you. Auto activate is of course off. And then I think it thrusts at. There we go. It's a cyberpunk game. Anything can make sense. Activate thruster. Activate. So stupid. Delay. And yeah. Deactivate. Now let's see all the madness that happens. Okay, now it's just plain stupid. Like has to have simulate physics. Oh, collision cylinder. Which one is that? Collision cylinder. What the heck is collision cylinder? Yeah. Enemy orange. Collision cylinder. Which one is that? Collision cylinder. Are you? Oh, I'm really curious. I think it's this. And you don't have simulate physics? Now you do. Now you do, my friend. Now you do. Oh no. Oh god. Physics thruster. Yes. Other actor equals is wait, I think base enemy PP enemy base. There we go. Branch. No, not do N. Set that like that. Physics thruster is off, and then do 10. Oh, that's what it was. Add force at location. That's what we needed. Add force at location. It's fine. Okay. Wait a minute. And that's because of... Oh, I want to see what's happening now. So they're still like doing really weird stuff. I just want to move it front though. Can I just... Oh, okay, you know what? What another method is? Let's see what another method is. To location. It's a vector. Get actor location. Get forward vector. No. Get actor forward vector. Multiply. No, we need a float vector x float asterisk float. So the heck of it. Plus, and I can do plus, right? Oh no, plus. Wow, vector plus vector. That's gonna be a move to location. F interp, R interp, B interp. Move component to. No, it just moves the component. I don't want that. You wanna interp. Because we have F interp. Just do V interp 2. Current target delta time. Interp speed. Jump to the target. 1. Set actor location. Oh, set actor location. Okay, so now see it jump up. And let's see if it does that. Delay 1 second. If not, check if we have any overlaps. No, what happened to you? No. Debug pineapple. What's happening to you? It's just stuck. No. Wait. What if I... You know what? Let's just do 0, right? It just like snaps. Let's draw a debug. Get actor location. Let's... I mean, I can make it even more... The debugs can be even more like apparent. But you know what? Let's see. Oh, it's because it's ammo. No. It's enemy base. PP, enemy base. Now it's gonna jump and have some real fun. I think something beautiful just happened. No, jump. Come on, bro. There we go. Jump. Come on. Not jumping though. That's so weird. Sphere. Enemy base. Get glass. I think it's because it's checking directly the object itself. PP enemy base. Let's try that. Because it's actually checking the object, because the object is not. Jump! They're like trying to like fight for some reason. And it's not jumping also. You know what? Doesn't matter. If it enters, you freaking jump. It overlaps enemy objects, right? Yeah. Generate overlap events. Yes, it does. Why are you in search? Stuck on search for some reason. It's because of the move to. Oh, and it's a husk already? Come on, come to the. Should ignore everything else. Like, is it getting stuck by itself? No. It's ignoring everything else. Then why are you getting stuck though like that? It's debug, right? 0. Right, there we go. It's husk already. And they are not stopping to prep also. Boom, 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 boom. That is so weird, man. Okay, as long as they are not at least like. You should be a husk. Are you on alert? Nope, it's on prep. Why are you prepping? You shouldn't prep. And yours, okay, it's attacking. Daze. Stagger, make that into a gun. Boom, boom. Into a gun. Then at least they're not bugging out anymore. So here's what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna start from all the way there. They're already in alert. Which is bad, of course. And I think it has, of course, something to do with this. Nope. I guess it's just their vision at this point. If you're searching, stop prepping, Pineapple. So where is search? There we go. Stop prepping. There you go, easy. So it's searching for me. And I guess it's stuck on the movement again. Boy. It's not even going to look around. I guess it fails here and it comes back up. Why can't you guys move? Like, I don't get it. Project settings, input. Crowd manager. Right. Avoidance config. What happens if I reduce the interval? Max avoided agents. It avoids. Path offset radius multiplier increase that. Nav mesh check interval reduce that. Max avoided walls, max avoided agents, maximum agents, sampling patterns, angles. And then how in what radii? What is these? The avoidance configuration. Oh, it's how it adapts. Okay, this is new. You know what? This is new. We gotta get into this. This is interesting. This could be our answer to stuff. Stagger. Okay. Okay. Things are actually looking pretty. Nope, that dumb guy is still there. Oh, it's prepping and attacking. They're prepping up. They're prepping up. Oh my god, is it actually working? No, no, don't run away. Ah. Nothing hits. I don't know what this dude is doing. Hello? Pineapple. Which one are you? Like, AI move to. Oh, it's the enemy base move to. Oh. Oh, okay. That's why. Move to locations. Forgot to change those because in the enemy. Okay, now it makes much more sense. Oh my god. Okay. So all the enemy move to should be base move to. I'm just using the default move to. That's a big bug. Change base enemy. And Pineapple move to nodes to custom move to nodes. No, that's a real bad. There we go. Okay, so that's some stuff I can look at tomorrow. It's time to end the stream for today. Thank you everybody for watching. And that goddamn thing is orange, and if that's orange, that means the stream is going bad. Bad in the sense quality wise. Anyways, hope you guys liked this stream. Hope you guys had fun and you guys learned a little bit on how game dev goes. So yeah, anyways, take care. Goodbye. Good morning. Oh no, I messed it up. Let me do it one more time. Take care. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and goodbye.